Hi everybody, this is Hardik,
Hi, this is Apeksha.
and today we have something very special and extremely inspiring in store for you. She's a pocket-sized powerhouse.
Today on the show, we have a young talent who is inspiration to millions of women out there. She is an MMA fighter and the youngest one in this mixed martial art. These arts combine a lot of various techniques of self-defense.
Hi, my name is Inaya Multani. I am from India, Mumbai. I am representing Super Fitness Mixed Martial Arts by Alam Idrisi.
First, I would like to tell you that you've been truly impressive and inspirational to me, and I would like all the women out there to know. I would want all the women out there to know her story and know her and get influenced by the right person in this day and time of influencers.
So Inaya, tell me, how old are you?
I just completed 11.
And which school you go to?
I go to the Alexandra Girls English Institution.
Inaya, I want to know that how you spend your lockdown period without workouts.
I used to do workout at my house, like my normal basic stretching and all, and sometimes I used to take permission from the secretary and I used to go up to the terrace and do my shadow and my basic stretching and all workout.
That's really nice. Why people call you Honey Badger?
See, there is a story behind it. I like to watch National Geographic channel. So one day I was watching the channel and I saw a very small, cute little animal. So I asked my dad about the animal. He googled it for me and then he told me that it's a very cute and small animal, but it's a very dangerous animal. And I've seen some clips of honey badger. In that clips, 80% of them honey badger has escaped without getting a single scratch on his body. And if 20 or 30 lions jump on that animal, he'll fight. He'll not like run away.
Interesting.
Thank you.
You choose MMA as your career, being a girl. Why so?
So ma'am, first of all, why did you say being a girl? If we are doing comparison between a girl and a boy, I can prove it right now that girls are strong.
How can you prove it?
Yeah.
Sure. How can you prove it?
Yes, sir, can you please give me a hand?
Yep. Oh,
Did it pain?
definitely.
Okay. See, girls are strong. And you know what my mom used to say me when she was giving birth to me? She felt like all her bones in her body broke. It was that much pain. And not my mom. Every woman in the whole world goes
So
through this
Inaya,
pain.
now I want to know that who inspires you the most that you decided to become a fighter.
She is a fighter. Her name is Rose Nama Jumas. Like, she's my inspiration fighter. I watch her all videos. So she's very calm when she's outside the ring, like very calm and in her own world. And when she's inside the ring, she's very dangerous.
Wow. Please note that at this age, how much clarity this little soul has. Hats off to her thought process and her parents for molding her in this direction. This country needs more such bright minded and brave. This country needs more bright and brave minded people like Inaya for a beautiful future that we all dream
Okay,
about.
Inaya. So do you think every girl should learn this martial arts and self-defense classes?
See, according to me, every girl is a martial artist. If you are in an unwanted situation, you have to use your brains and stay calm. Because it's not a movie like a 10-year-old can hit a 20-year-old boy. That's all fiction. So what will the guy do? He'll pull your hands and he'll shout at you. So at that time, say him very calmly, सर प्लीज़ मेरा हाथ मत खींचो, मुझे दुख रहा है, आप जो कहोगे मैं वो करने के लिए तैयार हूँ. So obviously it's human nature. He'll leave my hand and he'll come closer to me, or he'll take me close to him. At that time I have some points like his eyes, nose, ears, neck, tongue and his wrist. When he comes close to me, I just have to catch him, and if I find his ears, I have to bite it off. Not like for hurting him, just take off the ears.
Wow.
And I'll say you a short joke on this self-defense. When my coach was teaching me this self-defense का thing, I said him, अरे सर पूरा like गाल में से गोश्त निकलेगा, like flesh और दांत में खून आएगा. So a senior fighter from behind, he told me, क्या इनाया, सलमान सर का डायलॉग नहीं याद है तेरे को, जहाँ से पकड़ेंगे वहाँ का गोश्त निकाल के ही रहेंगे. And then I said him, And then I asked my question, अरे सर पर फिर भी दांत में खून हो जाएगा. So then my sir said, इनाया घर में अब्बू कोलगेट नहीं लाते. I said yes लाते हैं. So he told me that जब तक कोलगेट तब तक सब दाग गायब, टेंशन नहीं लेने का.
अमेजिंग. तो सुना आप लोगों ने, ये सोच हम सबको रखनी चाहिए एंड वी शुड कीप ऑल दिस थिंग्स इन आवर माइंड.
100%.
Inaya, I want to ask if this is the confusion in my mind, that if more than one person is attacking you or doing something wrong, then what will you do?
See, if there are more than one person attacking to me, first I'll see that is there any chance to escape, because up till now whatever I said about self-defense, is there any chance to do all that things? If there is no chance, let them do whatever they want to do and have to keep breathing. क्योंकि आज उनका टाइम है, कल अपना टाइम आएगा. And because if we live today, we fight tomorrow. Keep breathing, and when it's done, finish. Say them all that sir, आप लोग ने मेरे साथ जो भी किया वो मैं किसी को नहीं कहूँगी. आप लोग ने मेरे साथ जो भी किया वो मैं किसी को नहीं कहूँगी. अगर आपको चाहिए तो नेक्स्ट टाइम भी मुझे बुलाना, मैं नेक्स्ट टाइम आऊँगी और वो मैं किसी को नहीं कहूँगी. And when I go home, then I'll be ready to fight. I'll take them one by one. And one more thing, that because I have to keep breathing, because for me my life is very important, and I think for every woman their life is very important.
Absolutely.
Yes, and some girls say that they don't have good backup or good support for them, their parental support is not there. It's not like that. Life is given to us by Allah. No one can take it from you without your permission. It's not that 4-5 people will decide that you are going to die tomorrow. You have your life, enjoy it and have fun.
You got
Live it.
so much courage, Inaya. I want to know from where this courage you got, and you sound so confident at this time.
That's true.
Yeah, thank you. So who am I? Indian. From where am I? Maharashtra. Where was I born? The first drop of water in my mouth was from the soil of Maharashtra. And if I get in an unwanted situation, what I have to think? That who was my king? Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj. His opponent was 7 feet tall and he was physically also very strong. And Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj, he used his brain and his technique and killed his opponent. And Maharani Lakshmi Bai, even she was a great warrior. And I am a Muslim. So Ma Nusaiba Raziallahu Anha, even she is the first women Muslim warrior. And if I am a Hindu, I have to think about Ma Kali. And at that time I have to become a Ma Kali. And when you are in a situation, you don't have to think that you are a Hindu, you are a Muslim, you are a Jain. Just do it to escape whatever you can do.
Really true. I think there is no fear in your life, Inaya, and I'm a bit surprised. Like, see, 12-year girl is so fearless, isn't it?
Like, I have fear. My first fear is Allah. I love Him also, but I am feared with Him because I pray to Him that I don't go on a wrong way and nothing wrong happens to me. That's my fear, and I love Him also. And my second fear is that if I am in an unwanted situation and I die, I know that now I am going to die. There is no chance to escape. If I die without damaging a big part of his body, what will my coach and my dad think? अरे इनाया को एक मारा और वो मर गए, and all that they'll think. But if I die damaging a big part of the body, what will my coach and my dad think? They'll think that हाँ मैंने इनाया को अच्छा सिखाया था, वो लड़ के मरी, and that's all.
So, Inaya, according to what are the current scenarios, what all things are happening in India, we all are aware about what is the state of women in this country. So, do you think for a woman, decent woman, any kind of a woman, it's safe to live in India right now?
See, many people say India is not safe for women. So you tell me one thing. If I go to some other country, is there any guarantee that I'll be safe there?
No.
Right? So why are we talking about women? Men are also not safe anyway. So we have to take care of ourselves physically also and mentally.
That's true. Especially during this lockdown.
Yeah.
Everybody has suffered a lot.
Yes.
What advice or what is your point of view that you would like to share with people watching this video regarding self-defense or day-to-day life, anything, tips
The
and
main
tricks
thing in
that locals can do?
The main thing in self-defense is like whenever you are in an unwanted situation, just don't be panicked. Because if you will panic, nothing is going to happen. And if you can't bite anything, you have to come closer to that guy more and just take your two thumbs or whatever, take your two thumbs and put it in his eyes that hard that the eyeballs also come out. That's it.
Amazing.
And one more thing you said for my sake, that mess with any woman but don't mess with a Jhalawadi woman.
It was really nice having you, Anaya. It was a pleasure doing this interview. And if you are really inspired by this young talent, please support her by following her YouTube channel, Anaya Multani. Do check her videos out there. And stay tuned. We'll be back soon with another video.
Keep
Goodbye,
supporting,
folks.
guys.
Thank you.